Hey guys, it's Raul. I'm over here at 611 South Park Avenue in historic downtown Sanford. This is our latest acquisition. It's a 9-unit apartment building, again in the heart of historic downtown Sanford. This particular building, we're going to be doing a full renovation, extensive renovations of all the units. And we're starting with 3 of the vacant units that we currently have in the rent roll. Here's unit 1. This is one of our 2-1s. So this particular building has 3 2-1s, 3 1-1s, and 3 studios. So these units we're going to be doing full interior painting. We're going to be replacing all of the flooring throughout the unit. As you can tell, the unit has tons of character. I don't know if you're able to tell, but for purpose, I mean, super tall doors, 9-foot ceilings. This particular unit, the last lease in place as of about a month ago was $500 below market. So we are going to be finishing up the renovations, getting this puppy on the market, take advantage of the summer leasing season. Another cool thing about this unit is this little side patio that it has. It's going to be a private patio. We're going to redo, recover, do some planting, make it a nice little amenity area for the residents of this unit. So we're looking forward to, again, raising rents, stabilizing the management of the property, and working through the renovations. We are hoping to have this particular unit done in the next couple of weeks and go ahead and move forward with the rest of the process as the rest of the leases start coming forward, become due. So thank you so much. Stay in touch, stay safe. Looking forward to showing you the final product. We're super excited. Thank you again.